My name is Alberto Silveira. I'm the CTO at Hirevue. Hirevue is a platform for validating skills. We have performed about 180 million assessment interviews and about 8 million video interviews for enterprise customers, federal customers, and around the globe. Partnering with QA-Wolf, it's been day and night for us. Our specialty is to build our product, not running automated test frameworks. What QA-Wolf has brought to the table at Hirevue, it's a big portion of the pie that we do not have to worry about. With the traditional QA organization, there's always a gap in automation because engineers are building the product, they're writing the automation after the fact. Other solutions wouldn't fulfill one of my requirements, which was the context switch of my engineers. Context switch is expensive. Every time we stop task A to go to task B, there's a cost. I needed engineers building the product, not anything else, including testing. The goal for the first phase of QA-Wolf was to migrate the manual testing, smoke testing that we had to an automated manner that could be applied not only to our lower environments, but even a smoke test in production to validate the multiple regions where we deploy the Hirevue platform. For the first set of tests, we saved 10 hours per push, per production release. If you're talking about 10 releases, it adds up. If you're releasing code in Europe, if you're releasing code in Australia, if you're releasing code in the US, we have to ensure that those smoke tests run. You're in the hundreds of hours, and if you actually tie hours to dollars, we're talking about a few $1,000,000. We came from bi-weekly to weekly, and maybe soon we can come for maybe twice a week. In 3 months, we're able to have automated tests and allow those humans to actually stop doing that repetitive job and actually invest on other automation needs that we had. We start moving engineers to the developer experience team, helping our continuous delivery journey. One of the things that I say is one team, one heart. When we work with QA-Wolf, it's literally you guys become part of the team. I want to be with my team, building innovation, building things that will impact people's lives. I don't want to be on calls, actually trying to find reasons why we failed releasing quality software. If I have to pinpoint one metric, it would be I don't remember the last time I was on a customer call because the software wasn't working.